ஒரு கொதி வரணுச்சுன்னா picnic spot.
Hi friends, let me share the health benefits of figs with you today. Although fresh figs are seasonal, dried figs are available throughout the year. Figs are both tasty and delicious. In the Indian systems of medicine, figs are used to treat a number of ailments and health disorders that include digestive, reproductive, respiratory, endocrine, and immunity disorders. Figs are rich in minerals including potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper, and are a good source of antioxidant vitamins A and K. Digestive benefits. Figs are known to nourish and tone the intestines, and due to their high fiber content, they act as a natural laxative. This is not only a tasty way of keeping your digestive system in order, but is also a sweet way of losing weight for those concerned about losing weight. Another benefit of figs is that it helps lower blood pressure. Figs are a good source of potassium, which is a mineral that helps control blood pressure. Many of us consume processed foods that have high sodium content. High intakes of sodium can raise the blood pressure. Potassium offsets the effect of sodium and thereby helps to bring the blood pressure to normal levels. Figs are a good fruit source of calcium, a mineral that is involved in bone density. Their high potassium content may counteract the urinary excretion of calcium caused by high salt diets. This in turn helps to keep calcium in bones and lessens the risk of osteoporosis. As figs have high polyphenol content, they are good as antioxidants. The polyphenol content in figs have been found to be higher than both red wine and green tea. Antioxidants are beneficial to your health because they get rid of harmful free radicals. Research indicates that leaves of the fig tree may be helpful in controlling diabetes. However, keep in mind that figs are not to be used as a substitute for medications for diabetes. Rather, figs may be eaten as an additional form of support for lowering of glucose levels in the body. Remember that figs are one of the richest plant sources of a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, K, B, potassium, magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese, and iron. Therefore, figs can help you maintain overall good health, beauty, and longevity. The beneficial effects also include skin health, hair health, and protection from cancer. Do make it a point to include figs frequently in your diet. Fresh figs or dried figs can be eaten without any preparation or recipes. or you can make a juice of fresh figs and enjoy as a refreshing drink. However, figs can also be used as a dessert or jam. We now give you a delicious and healthy dessert recipe using figs. Take a cup of fresh orange, 6 fresh figs, 1 star aniseed, and some freshly chopped ginger. Simmer orange juice, ginger and star anise together on high heat for 20 minutes, reducing volume to about half. Filter this mixture so that you have only the liquid sauce. Cut the figs in half from stem to stem. Drizzle the sauce over the figs. If desired, sauce can be chilled before serving with figs. There you have a delicious and healthy dessert recipe. Good luck.